MMPO 008 International Logistics and Supply Chain Management explains global logistics networks, warehousing, transportation, 3PL, 4PL, bullwhip effect, and supply chain value creation, to name a few. This course is part of semester 4. It is relevant for students pursuing the operations management specialization. It has got 15 units which are divided into a total of 5 blocks, but not all parts of the syllabus carry the same weight when it comes to your term and exam. So in this video, we will walk through the most important units and sections of this MMPO 8 so that you can focus your efforts where they are going to matter the most. Let us start with the most important units and sections first, and we will follow it up by the medium and low priority ones. Coming to the most important or the high priority units, they are units 1, 3, 6, and 10. Also 15. Okay, so 1, 3, 6, 10, and 15. In this, from Unit 1, questions were mostly asked from sections 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, and 1.5. From Unit 3, questions were mostly asked from 3.2, 3.4, 3.5, and 3.7. From Unit 6, questions were mostly asked from 6.3 and 6.4. From Unit 10, questions were mostly asked from 10.3, 10.5, and 10.7. From Unit 15, questions were mostly asked from 15.1, 15.2, and 15.4. Coming to the medium importance units, these include units 2, 8, 11, 12, and 14. From Unit 2, questions were mostly asked from 2.2 and 2.4. From Unit 8, actually all sections are important. The questions that have been asked from Unit 8 demands that you have an overall understanding of all the units of Unit 8. So I am not telling you to skip any sections of Unit 8. The same goes for Unit 11 as well. All sections are important. You need to have a basic understanding of inventory management from this block 4, Unit 11. But Unit 12, I can tell you, questions have been mostly asked from unit sections 12.2 and 12.4. And similarly, from Unit 14, questions were mostly concentrated on 14.2, 14.3, and 14.6 sections so far. Okay. Now coming to the low priority units, these include units 4, 7, 9, and 13. From Unit 4, mostly questions were from 4.4 section. From Unit 7, they were from 7.3. But Unit 9, documentation and global logistics, all sections are important. So the number of questions that came from Unit 9 is very less. But the kind of questions, the nature of the questions that were asked makes it mandatory that you need to have an overall understanding of Unit 9. That is documentation and global logistics. But Unit 13, if you take, questions were mostly focused on the contents of section 13.3. Now, any unit or section that you don't see on your screen is because they have not yet been part of a term and examination question paper. So what is my suggestion? Skim through these not touched areas depending on how much time you have got, because this will ensure you can attempt to write something in case a question does come up from the not before tested areas for your term and examination. But my suggestion is, please do that only after you're thorough with the priority topics, because these sections that you can see on the screen, they have been asked multiple times. Okay, so yeah, that is it for the focused breakdown of MMPO 8. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and share it with people you think may benefit from this. Also, subscribe to Anu's Classroom and enable notifications to never miss an update on the newer videos. And if you want a downloadable version of the most important units of MMPO 8 that we have just now discussed, you can scan the QR code that is shown on the screen. Happy learning and good luck with your exams.